All right, back at it for another day of the workshop do-it-yourself project. As you can see behind me, I've got the one wall I'm going to finish sheathing that. Then I'm going to take this gutter off right here because that's where I'm going to tie the roof on and get it wrapped, get the house wrap on. I've got this wall here and this wall here to get the house wrap on. So that's my goals for tonight. It's already 7:30, started a little late. I had to run to Lowe's and get some more material, but let me get at it. All right, I'm calling it a night. It's 9:40. I pretty much got everything done that I wanted to tonight. I got this wall finished and I got the house wrap on. I did not take off the gutter. I decided that I'll leave that on. It's supposed to start raining again Friday and Saturday. So I'm gonna leave that gutter up, and then Sunday it's supposed to be really nice. So I'll probably start working on the roof then, or if it looks possible, maybe start at least planning on what I'm going to do starting tomorrow, and then start getting some measurements going on. And I got to pick up some more 2x6s for the roof. So, but anyways, I'm going to get my mess cleaned up. So here's what I got, and get the mess cleaned up, get myself cleaned up, and go to bed. All right, we'll catch everybody on the next one. All right, here's how it's looking. Out the inside. All right, everybody, back at it for the workshop. Today's objective is to get the roof done, and I haven't done anything the last couple of days. We've been having rain, so I just took a few days off. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take this gutter off. I'm going to tie the roof onto this existing roof, onto the eave, and then I'm going to have to figure out something to do right here. But that's the goal for today, is hopefully get this roof done. And starting tomorrow, we're going to be having some great weather. Sunshine, I think temperatures into the 70s. So this rainy week we've had is, I think is going to be gone. And it's supposed to stop totally raining here in the next hour or so. It's kind of lightening up. This morning it was raining, so it's just kind of drizzling right now. But I'm going to get going at it. All right, I took a break from working on the roof. Rain started coming, so I had to stop. But I did get all the rafters cut. It cleared up. I'm getting ready to mount them now. Got the gutter down. So let's get these rafters up and this roof on. All right, calling it a night, 9:45, and unfortunately I just found out that the batteries on my camera died this time. So I'm not sure what all I got on the camera, but as you can see, I got the rafters on, they're secure. Due to rain, I had to stop for a couple hours and let that lighten up, but I think right around 6 o'clock the rain stopped. So, but next up, stay tuned for tomorrow. I will get the sheathing on, hopefully maybe get the underlayment and the shingles on and the drip edge going, and we'll have all that complete, and this will be waterproof, and we can start working on the exterior as far as siding and stuff like that. So, all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and we'll see you all then. All right, another day, we're gonna get this roof done, and we got sunshine, 65 degrees. Hey, and we're also 4 weeks away from the waterfowl opening of 2024. So let's get this roof done, and as much as we can today, and let's get at it. All right, I did some work off camera. As you can see, I got the fascia painted white. I had to do that before I put the drip edge down. I've got this trim board down here on and painted white. Next, I'm going to go back up on the roof, get the drip edge on, and I've got some ice and water shield that I'm going to lay down. So let me go ahead and get back up on the roof. All right, I'm going to call it a night. I got done what I could. It's almost 8 o'clock. I'm going to get cleaned up. I did find some extra shingles, so I went ahead and throw those on. But let me go ahead and show you what I got done with the roof today. All right, here's what we got. I've got the ice and water shield up right here. A couple rows of shingles right there. I'll go pick some more up. But that's it for today. Hopefully I can get this roof finished up in the next couple days. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on the next day. All right, back at another day for the workshop project. It is Monday, August 5th, and getting a late start. It's 7 o'clock at night. I had run down to Lowe's, get some supplies. I got stuff to start doing the electrical inside. I ran and got some more shingles, finish up the roof, except I could not find step flashing, which I really need. So I'm gonna probably hold off on the roof and get the step flashing done, or pick up the step flashing, and then I'll get started on the roof. But I got the window. I'm gonna go ahead and get the window installed, and then we might start on some of the electric inside. All right, here we go. All right, everybody, got the window installed. As you can see behind me, I got a late start. Took me about an hour. It's 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna call it. I got a few other things done to get prepped for tomorrow, so right when I get home from work, I can start doing on that stuff. So we'll see everybody on the next day. Tomorrow's gonna be Tuesday, August 6th, so we'll see you then.